Hey, it's Jack here. We're back in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're at the Bellagio for Lunar New Year 2026, Year of the Horse. Let's go inside, check it out. Make this return to the conservatory. Chasing a revered god of wealth arrives draped in fortune's finest. He's surrounded by shimmering coins, gold ingots, and gleaming money tree, all symbols of the abundant prosperity he grants to those who seek his blessing. In ancient Chinese tradition, money meant more than mere currency. It was a powerful talisman of good luck and divine favor. Here Caitian stands, encircled by jade, shimmering gold, earthly symbols of the prosperity he bestows. The jade represents purity and balance, while gold embodies wealth in its most radiant form. These symbols remind us that abundance flows most freely if we pursue with open and courageous hearts. Below the red and gold lanterns are delicate yellow mimosa and cherry blossom trees offering lush canopy of flowers. Making her striking debut at the conservatory, the cheerful child is woven from thousands of preserved roses and seeds. She welcomes you with utter delight while juggling golden coins, a sign of good luck. This charming girl embodies the year of the fire horse, excluding warmth, laughter, and a celebration of new beginnings. The glowing red and gold lanterns illuminate your path as you stroll through the gardens, radiating celebration and renewal. These traditional beacons are meant to guide spirits home and ward off misfortune. Frolicking alongside joyful children among the towering bamboo groves, playful pandas are a crowd favorite. They symbolize peace, harmony, and gentle strength within traditional Chinese culture, reminding all of life's simple pleasures. The bamboo trees, with their natural resilience and flexibility, further encourage us to bend and sway along the winds of change. Like protective family elders, two majestic gold dragons watch over playful pandas and joyful children, in their presence both commanding and benevolent. In Chinese tradition, dragons are supreme beings who command earthly elements, bringing good fortune to those around them. Peaceful pond shimmers alive with golden koi fish meandering around the lush foliage. Two food dogs stand sentinel while flanking three golden fire horses. Known for their fierce and mischievous expressions, these legendary protectors symbolize wealth and ward off misfortune. Three golden horses, grounded in strength and driven by purpose, radiate a fiery spirit and boundless energy that symbolizes the year's unstoppable momentum. Standing gracefully in the garden, the jade pagoda symbolizes wealth, prosperity, love, and good fortune. And jade, the most treasured stone in Chinese culture, carries the promise of virtue, purity, and rebirth, making it the symbol to anchor this auspicious display. Glowing firecrackers above, their radiance filling the conservatory with joyful, luminous energy. Back over here is their photo op. Step to a tradition as old as time. In China, the ritual of sharing tea transforms strangers into friends and moments into memories. Here at the Enchanting Tea Pavilion, you and your guests can savor a timeless custom while enjoying lunch or dinner from Noodles. And if you'd like to enjoy the garden table from Noodles for lunch or dinner, here are the hours right here. Scan that QR code for reservations, and you'll be sitting right over here to enjoy your lunch or dinner here at the conservatory. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk around tour of the Bellagio Conservatory for Lunar New Year 2026, Year of the Horse. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.